Alright, I'm out here with the Hubsan Zino Mini, and I'm going to check the video bit rate. I'm going to change it to the different settings. I'm going to go 10, 50, 100, 150, and 200. I'm going to fly them each for about 10 seconds, see if the file sizes are different, and see if it's worth changing the video rate all the way up to 200. Because if most people are going to upload this to YouTube, and YouTube's going to crush it anyway, so we'll just see how it does. So right now I'm in 10. I'm going to fly for 10 seconds. Or we'll go a little longer. I'm looking over at the record button. 11, 12, 13. We'll go up to 20. We'll bring it back. 7, 18, 19, 20. Stop. Okay, so I'm going to change it to 50-ish. Right on 50. And hit record. Full sticks forward. And we'll do the same thing. We'll go to about 15 and then bring it back. Alright, I'm bringing it back. 19, 20. Okay. Now I'll go to 100. Do the same thing. Battery's low. Hopefully I can make it the whole test. $14, $15, $19, $20. Stop. Now I'll change it to 150. Hit record. $20. And that is, nope, one more. Go all the way to 200. Hit record. And bring it back. Okay, did 20 seconds each. I did right around 10, 50, 100, 150, and 200. Now I'll go ahead and hit return home.
Return to home.
And see how close to the parking pad I get. Doesn't look like it. Oh, it sees it. See how close it gets. It's moving over. Don't know what happened there. So I lost GPS again. Not sliding back. Don't know where you're going. Trying to get it shut down. Just hold down. Holding down on the transmitter. Let's let go of the transmitter. Still thinks it's in the air. Jeez. So I've noticed this, like the DJI drones and stuff, as soon as it notices that it's not able to accelerate anymore, then the motors shut off. This one seems to wait a while. This isn't the first time this happened. Hopefully this gets fixed. As soon as it hits the ground, it should shut the motors off. As soon as it sees, or at least like a half a second or a second after it gets resistance. This was just sitting in the grass for I don't know how long, and it just wanted to keep on spinning. So that's not good. Alright, that's it for this video. So let me know if you can see any difference in the different bit rates. I'll have the file sizes down there below, so maybe if the file size is significant when it's lower and it's still a good video, then maybe you want to keep it to a smaller file size. Maybe that 200 looks so much better than the other ones that you want to go there. I'm not sure. I won't know until I look at it on a computer. But let me know what you think in the comments below, and I'll keep doing some more tests with this. And until then, we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.